Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is March 19, 2015, and today is Thursday. So looking at the markets, wild day after big Fed day yesterday. Really a major play as we spoke about. Looking at today's markets, though, we're looking at some major numbers coming out of the Swiss franc, a lot of euro numbers coming out today, and then initial jobless claims. And then if you're up for it in the early mornings, the Australian dollar, the central governor of the bank is going to be speaking there. So it is a major week. I just want to start off with the Dow Jones just to show you the impact of it, all right? This is yesterday's graph, okay? This is basically yesterday's day. And you see how the market opened up and it just tanked into the number, just really going down, and then boom! As Yellen spoke that she's not going to change the price of the rates, the interest rates, and gave some optimistic view of the market. Market rallied. This is the Dow Jones. Okay, so it rallied about 300 points. Okay, from 17,725 and settling about 18,775. So that's about 300 points right there that we made up. So we're only 275 shy of the end of the year, and this is very reminiscent for me, at least, of 1999 going into 2000, where the markets really rallied during this time of the year. So, like I said, I did expect something like this. I did really anticipate something would happen like this, and it's only because I've been in the markets for so long. Looking at the Euro USD as a result of it, this is on a monthly chart, but let's look at an hour chart. You see that the market spiked all the way up to 110. That's a 400 pip move right there. Okay, so a lot of liquidity in the markets, a lot of movement. And see, we're pretty much didn't break up higher at this 108 level, and we came back right back down to 107. The question is will it test these levels at 106 in order to take it up higher? That's something that needs to be tested over time and see what goes on. At this stage, we could bounce off of this 107. The next bounce, I would say, I would anticipate a certain bounce at 106.5-ish. Okay, but I definitely would keep this on the radar moving forward. I'm excited again. Okay, there's money in the markets and things are coming back. Look at the USD Japanese yen here. Big retracement for the USD. Okay, the USD really had a major retraction today. When the markets go up, when the equity markets in the States go up, which we saw in the Dow Jones, it went up 300 points. It usually has an inverse relationship with the dollar. So the dollar did what? The dollar went down, right? So that we see that the dollar went down across the board in almost every category. So, I mean, it's going to look like this in anything that we see. If we look at the GBP USD, you see that it bounced a little bit, but let's see if this is going to be a turning point for all these counter forex symbols that have been really beaten up against the dollar over the past 9 months. That's what we're looking to anticipate. Okay, and that's something that you're going to have to keep on the radar across the board of anything that you're trading. Looking at gold, also looking at oil. Excuse me, oil also rallied a little bit, $1.50. And now retracing. Everything is really retracing. So I wonder if this retracement is going to be a retesting, okay, or is it going to be something that's going to be something that we're going to challenge again. Looking at the gold here, we went from, let's just look at a 4-hour chart. Look at what we did yesterday. This is absolutely ridiculous. We tested this low yesterday of 11.95, okay. And we almost, no, this is, excuse me, this is the ZAR. Let's go to the gold. Gold bounced about 20 points yesterday as a result of the austerity, and this was the anticipating point. Remember yesterday I said, you know, this would be a good level. There's previous resistance that's an 11.5 level, and then we had some support level here before. And then boom, we tested it again at 11.50 and we bounced off of it. So it's nice to see that it's synchronized against the coming out of economic news, that this information also is happening simultaneously. So I would really consider keeping an eye out for this and looking forward into the markets. Now we could look at the USD-ZAR. Going back to the USD-ZAR, you'll see that it also retraced, also got much stronger at 12.15 from a high, an all-time high of 12.50. So again, keep an eye on these. Let's see if they're going to bounce off of these corrections, or they're just going to make a new trend. Okay, maybe we're going to make a new trend across the board, and the dollar is going to get a lot weaker over the next 5 to 6 months. So this is really a major pivotal point for the USD, and we're just seeing the beginning of it. This is Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish you guys a great trading day.